$374 back. There you go. Another one. 3, 2, 1. Hello everybody guys. Alex is back. And I'm back again. So, just to make it clear, today we're going to be having another trading session, and hopefully it's really going to be very much profitable and it's going to be successful. And this is what I'm looking for, honestly. So, yeah, let's just, before we start, would like to remind you again and again that I'm having a Telegram private group where you can join and get a lot of valuable information and necessary details for your trading journey, and they will be really much helpful for you. Just give it a try. So the link is going to be below in the description. Don't forget to leave a like and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's freaking go. So yeah, today I'm having $150, and of course all these indicators and the settings for the indicators, I'm gonna be explaining them in my Telegram group, as I'm always doing that. Okay, Australian Canadian dollars right now, right here, I'm betting $100, leaving 50 there. I do have this, not a decision, but approximate prediction. You can see that Aroon is for Parabolic SAR, and the Aroon, they are just waiting for the long option, because we are having strong buyers dominance in the market right now, and as I believe that will be really much helpful for us. Not helpful, but it's gonna be logical if we're just using that, you know. Great, good job. That one was really good and I liked it. So Euro and Huth. Let me draw you something here. The parallel channel. I mean, the current level aligns with a bounce zone, first of all. And the correction seems over, so I'm betting $140 for long, because the buyers are stepping in. There you go. Another one is here, and of course I'm satisfied with that and I'm happy with that. We do have a very strong bullish trend on the euro, and Parabolic SAR is kind of supporting that. So, and the price, you know, confidently holds above the Keltner Channel. So, since I can see the support in the oscillator, I'm going for long, but I don't know why. Kind of the sellers are kind of stepping in and trying to do something there. I don't think that they will be able to do it, as you can see. For all the time that you rain my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name, you think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I am, and I didn't want to write a song. We have 10 seconds left, and we went back. Guess it's back again. Guess it's back. Guess it's back. Guess it's back. 3, 2, 1. $374 back, and 174 was. So Canadian dollars and the francs, 92% of the income. That's great. I'm gonna raise the bet to 300 right here, and I'm gonna be going for long as well, because first of all, Aroon supports the continuation. Accumulation zone is likely to break upward, and yeah, we're kind of having, I mean, we have been having you know, the market above the midline of the Keltner channel for a long time. So right now, we have already broken the higher upper boundary of the Keltner channel, and we are just continuing raising and growing, and the entry point is really great, on the same level as the upper boundary of the Keltner channel. Wow, whoa, 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 whoa. I mean, 14 seconds. $276 is profit. First of all, what I'm gonna be doing is, I believe I'm gonna be just raising the bet. I'm gonna be having $400 there, and I'm gonna go for long. I'm gonna go for short, because we have failed to grow. We have failed to we didn't even try to test the upper boundary of the Keltner channel, and we bounced back from it. And as I believe, at least we have to try and retest the midline of the Keltner channel, as well as the Aroon is declining. So going for short. In the meantime, guys, I would like to inform you and remind you again and invite you again to my Telegram private group, because I'm mentioning that in every video, and I'm just trying to explain you the reason why I'm not just explaining and telling you all the necessary data during the videos. Because guys, it is, just try it by yourself. It is really hard for me to shoot the video, to analyze the market, and to describe the things and explain the things and the reasons why I'm doing this and that at the same time, like simultaneously. It's kind of tough for me. Great. From $150 to $1,188 in, I guess, approximately in 10 minutes. So that was really nice and brilliant. Again, the link for the Telegram private group is going to be below in the description. Do not forget to leave a like, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching. Goodbye. I don't know why I did that, but ciao.